Hello everyone. Alright, so this is a semi-request video I'm making here for these taillights. Well, first let's go over. So, I currently have these Spyder taillights. They've been installed in my car for 6 or 7 years now. So, someone had asked about wiring them. Now, they should come plug and play, as you can see here. We'll go through that. But it sounds like maybe the plug is not there, or there's some kind of wiring issue with them. So I just thought to make this video so we can kind of identify the wires and see where they all run, just in case anyone should encounter issues. You never know. Maybe you buy these used and the previous owner has cut them somewhere and you don't know. So, hey, this is just to help out a bit. So obviously these are not the factory ones, obviously, right? Spyder ones. First to point out, obviously to remove them, it's these three like threaded rods here. They feed through here, and you have to remove your inner trim and the carpeting. Well, the one hole comes through here, and that acts one of the screws. Where are you? Here actually also works for the cargo net. The other two, which are behind the trim material, they're just like this, and there's three of them, and they feed through there. One of them is up there. It's easy to miss it or not realize where it is, so just so you know. So yeah, once you take that out, you got your bulbs, your wiring harness. Now this is the factory harness here that would hook up to the car. As you can see, wires here. Let's first identify here. We've got three wires: a black, a brown, and a green. This feeds to a black, a brown, and a yellow. So let's go with the yellow wire first. The yellow wire just comes along here, and you trace that, and it goes directly into this first bulb down here. This first plug, I should say. So that comes directly from the green wire. The brown one and the black actually both go together. This one kind of feeds the rest of the system. So you can see they kind of go together from here all the way along. And they both go into this plug here, and you see a brown and a black go in, and there's another one. There's two that are in, two that are out. So if we see this is the one that goes in, and this is the one that comes out. This one also feeds into this plug. This is where that yellow wire goes, from green to yellow. And then there's another set that go out and feed up into that one up there. Then separately, you have a green and black wire. This is unrelated to the system. There's a plug here, and this goes to what I assume is some sort of resistor or transformer box of some sort, converter box of some sort, maybe to stabilize the signal. I never looked. I assume that's what it is, and that's it. That's the simplification of the wiring: black to black, brown to brown, green to yellow, and then it feeds out. I don't know if there's changes over the years. I didn't look that far ahead. Yeah, and then once it's all hooked up, everything should work okay. I've had no problems thus far with it. So, yeah, I mean, simple, quick, easy video. I do hope it helps out the viewer who would requested some information on this, and anyone else who has any issues in the future. Any other questions, of course, always let me know. Other than that, I will see you all next video.